everybody, it's Melissa from Buckeye Girls Recent Things. We're going to work on a hat band for a scarecrow. I'm making a little door hanger for my front door, and I thought I'd come live and do some, yes, leopard print on it. So this will be my leopard print hat band for a scarecrow. So we're going to start out with, it's an Deco Art Americana, like antique gold. And of course I painted this like my turquoise color, one of my favorite colors. And the thing is you don't want the dots to be, you know, kind of uniform. You just want them, and you don't want them all the same size. You want a few of them going off the edges. I don't think anybody's came on yet. Now I'm gonna add some black. I paint for fun. Anybody that knows me knows I'm a floral designer, but I do some painting for fun. Some of my spots I'm gonna go around. Some of them I'm going to go around all of it, and some of them I'll just go around just a little bit, so to make it look like leopard print. And if you hear the noise, they are working on our road right outside my house. So it's a lot of fun to come to my house right now. I'm working on doing some leopard print. This is a hat band for a scarecrow. Yeah, for my front door. I'm gonna do a few, I may do a few for Etsy, but this one here is gonna be for my front door, I think. Because Thad cut the wood a little thinner than I wanted. So I'm gonna just use this for my door. Is anybody talking to me yet? Hi, Barb. I'm working on some leopard print. Can you see it? I'm also working with a new mount. Hey, Josie. All it's showing me is where my friends are on that I'm friends with. It's not showing me the comments. But if somebody has questions, I'll definitely answer them when I get off. Like always. Oh, I am going to, tomorrow is my birthday. So tomorrow at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, I will be going live on TikTok and doing my first ever battle on TikTok. Me and a friend of mine from Michigan, who's in the ranking on TikTok, is gonna battle. Never done it before, but I thought she asked me to do that because it was my birthday. I may go and now you go back and see where, oh, there's an empty spot right there. And there's an empty spot right there. One right there. And there's my buffalo, my leopard print. I'll probably fix this one. There's my leopard print. There's a few of them that the black didn't do very well. Probably go back and fix it. I just got me a thing to dry my paint to help make it faster. That way I can see where I need to touch up. Like right here. Still says there's nobody on. This is weird. But then it says Shelly was on. Hey, Karen. Oh, and it says up there 0 people was on. That's weird. Hey, Barb. Christy. Oh my, that's sad. Christy's such a better painter than me. Should be Christy painting, not me. That's just sad. Okay, I'm going to let this dry, and later on I may be back to paint a scarecrow. I don't know. To finish this scarecrow. But I thought I'd do some painting for a change today. Love you guys. Have a good day. I may be back later tonight. Bye.